ain't playing those games. You ain't playing. Oh! So, what's good? So, I'm here to show you my TK Gecko. Nothing less, and didn't forget about you. So, this is TK Gecko right there. As you can see, TK Geckos are very fast, very intelligent, and they always are mad. As you can see, you're mad, and I'm about to give you crickets. So it likes to hide in anything. It don't like to be seen. It's not turtle. So we're gonna see if I can get it to eat on this camera with me dumping crickets right in your face. Just dump it all in there, man. I dumped some of the stuff inside there, the calcium. A little bit too much you got dumped in there. But as we can see, let's see if you eat anything. Anything on camera will be nice, man. Let me show you. So that's the calcium on them right there. So that helps out with the skinks, the geckos. Helps out with their muscle attraction and stuff. So he fell, or she fell right off right there, as you can see. He's running now. So we coming back to you. All you doing is letting him get away. So it's not gonna eat on camera right now. I guess it's very upset. I did dump the calcium on it. So I am gonna have to get that calcium off. These little guys keep getting out, as you can see. Crawling everywhere. So I'm gonna go get the calcium off, and I'm gonna need 2 hands for that. But yeah, so you ain't eating none. I'm gonna have to get that calcium off, so I think I should have never dumped it on top of it. But yeah, so that's it. So most likely I'm gonna get a video of it eventually eating. I'm gonna have to do it in secret. So I didn't want to forget about you, crazy guy or girl. So yeah, though, I'm about to say peace for right now. Catch you on the next one. Peace. So I said peace, but he came out the box, or she came out the box. I gotta find out the sex too. I said peace, but you decided to come out the box. So I decided to take the box away. Came out the box to eat. As it calmed down, I came back. I see you out the cage. I turned this light on. I snatched the box out real quick. And even though I said peace, I'm gonna put this part in there. So, how you doing? What you doing? You're still mad. Yeah, so you're still mad at me. You should have never came out. You left the box, man. Let me see. Focus on your face. You got him crawling all over you. So as you see, some of it went all over him. I had to take the box out to get that stuff off, so I took the box out. When you came out, I came back. Don't be mad at me. So you ain't playing no games at all with me. I need to pour water on you because you look mad. So, heart ain't racing. So you still not gonna eat on camera. You just gonna focus on me. I came back, and you still gonna focus on me. You serious, and you mad at me. I needed you to eat on camera, man. No, girl. Let me see if I can get some close-up shots without getting bit. So, hold up. I'm gonna come in there and I'm gonna see if I can get some close-up shots. Do not bite me. I wish you could have ears. Okay. Oh, you ain't playing those games. You ain't playing. Oh! You really that mad? I'm gonna give you the box back. I really wanted you to eat on camera. And you ain't about to think I'm crazy, man. I closed that down. You ain't about to get me. You ain't not about to go around and attack me like that. Been taking good care of you. Been taking good care of you and me forever. Good care of you, and me. Alright, man, I'm gonna close this out real quick. I thought you would have ate on camera. You try to get out the cage because you really mad at me. But I'm gonna close this out. So I'm gonna say peace right now. You're not eating on camera. Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You ain't gonna do nothing, boy. I'm gonna give you your box back so you can go back and hire. Oh, hold up. Hold up. What you gonna do? Oh, you really mad? What you gonna do? It ain't about that life. Angry. I'm giving you your box back so you can go in there and hide and eat your crickets in peace. So I'm gonna say peace. You ain't gonna bark at the camera real quick? Alright, I'm gonna say peace right now. Peace. Okay. I threw it.
he about to bite you.
I only threw it on you just so you could get the little guys. Why are you so mad? I'm trying to record this dude eating. It ain't working out.
He looked dead inside.
Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, you fighting the... Oh! Come on. Come on.
That's gonna be a problem.
I know, that's why I'm about to do this today. You gonna eat them or not?
You guys, you can't pick them up.
You got all the crickets right there next to you.
Pick one up and put it in his mouth.
All the crickets. And you ain't gonna eat one on camera. Okay.
He tired of us.
You don't want us to look at you eating. We need to see. We have to get a video. You the only one that just won't eat on camera. Oh. Okay. Come on. Oh, you finally ate one on camera. Yay. Ooh. Got it by his butt. Okay.
Damn.
That's what's up. We could finally give you 2% props. And it's a good thing I got this on video, even though you in the corner in the darkest spot. Yay!
What do you do if you open that thing?
I ain't gonna leave you alone. He like it dark though. He don't like to eat with everybody watching him. I don't like how you do that, bro. You only eat when we can't see. Viewers want to see. That one right in front of your mouth. Oh! Damn, you ain't eat it.
These damn crickets trying to get out.
Of course they trying to get out. I'll try to get out too if the so-called killer ain't eating me. Uh-oh. You're going down. It's going down. Dude, you suck. Can you kill it, please? Yo, dude, you suck, dude. You really suck. You're letting me down. Okay. Wow. Your ass. You so busy being mad at us. Eat. We have to get this on video.
You gotta move them. I wouldn't put my hand in there if I was you. Try to move with this.
You want to get all violent with us. So violent. So violent with us, but ain't killing the prey.
Pick one up and throw it in the mouth.
I'll throw one in your mouth. Hold on. I'm going to catch one. Keep your mouth open just like that. I got you.
Yo,
that's what you want.
Mad violent.
He mean.
Should call him Danger.
Uh-oh.
He did not.
Stop. Stop. He keep watching you. He watching you. And what you doing? He watching all of us. He got big eyes. Come on, now you know he can see you. Damn, this roach nigga crossing me. Did he catch it in his mouth? Did I drop it in your mouth?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, it's in your mouth. You want me to feed you, you little baby?
Yeah.
I am not your father. I'm not going to be feeding you, man. We need this video. Next video, I'm going to have to be quiet. But I can't. Because this is too exciting. Come on. Could you just eat like one more or two or three or something? Alright, so I'm just going to call it quits. We're going to leave you alone and you can eat them in peace. At least we got to see you eat something. So I'm just going to say peace.